The Earth's climate is changing due to human activities, primarily the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The concentration of carbon dioxide, CO2, in the atmosphere has increased by over 40% since pre-industrial times, primarily due to human activities. The Earth's average surface.
The Earth's average surface temperature has risen by about 1 degree Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, since the late 19th century. This warming trend is accelerating, and the last decade, 2011 to 2020, was the hottest on record. Climate change is causing various impacts, including rising sea levels, melting glaciers, more frequent and intense extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts, and shifts in ecosystems and wildlife habitats. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, a scientific body under the United Nations, has warned that urgent action is needed to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit, above pre-industrial levels to avoid catastrophic consequences. Mitigation efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions include transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and implementing sustainable land use practices. Adaptation measures are also crucial to help communities and ecosystems cope with the impacts of climate change. These may include building resilient infrastructure, implementing water management strategies, and enhancing disaster preparedness. International cooperation is essential to address climate change effectively. The Paris Agreement, adopted in 2015, aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius and pursue efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Individual actions, such as reducing energy consumption, recycling, and supporting sustainable practices, can also contribute to mitigating climate change.